today I am doing this holiday makeup look. We have the red lip, we have this nice cool little eye look that I felt like doing, and I will go ahead and insert my inspo pics somewhere here for you to see. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Apologies if you hear stuff going on in the background. My daughter's watching Bluey. Starting off with my moisturizer, I'm using the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. And then I'm going to prime. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and the e.l.f. Skin Bronzing Drops because I like the glowiness that it gives me. Putting both in my hands, and I'm gonna work that in. I'm gonna be using a brush to blend it all in. There we go. I'm double recording right now. My foundation is going to be the Lancome Idole foundation in 535 in neutral. I'm going to apply that to the back of my hands, picking it up with my fingers, apply it to my face. How's that shade match, guys? That's nice. I'm going to go ahead and conceal the Naked 24-hour Stay Naked Quickie 24-hour wear multi-use concealer. Applying my concealer. I'm gonna put some on my eyelid as a base for my shadow. Then I blend that out. I'm gonna also kind of use that to carve out my eyebrows. Can't remember how to speak for YouTube anymore. Actually want to add a little bit more on my chin and then down my nose. Gonna blend my chin out, blend this out as well, and then the outer portions, and just kind of swipe up. I really like this concealer because it keeps everything in place and it dries down really quickly. Obviously you have to work quick, but I like it. And now blending my under eyeshadow. Take some up on my forehead, make sure everything is looking seamless. So for my eyeshadow, I got sent this in PR. I don't know this brand really, but when I packed up everything, this was the only one that I grabbed, and this is the Defiance palette by Karmela Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like. It's very neutral, but it's perfect for the look that I'm going for. So to start, I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow stick. It's like a brown coppery tone, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. Blending it in. And I'm gonna take it up high to really make sure that that transition peeks through. Now I'm going to go in to the palette, and I'm taking these two shades right here, the dark and the brown, and I'm going to mix them, taking more brown than dark. I'm gonna draw that shape that she has going on. There we go. Ooh, that looks good already. Now that the outline is in, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. In order to blend it, I'm using that brown that I used as a transition. And now to build back some of that dimension that you kind of lost, I'm gonna go back in with only the black and use that to very softly outline. There we go. There we go. I went ahead and sprayed the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna dip my brush into that spray using the Milk Hydro Grip spray. I'm gonna use Elevate from that palette. It's like a rose gold shade, and I'm gonna mix it with Ethereal, which is like a silvery shade. I'm gonna go in with my shimmers and just start patting that onto my lid. And I'm just gonna take my time and really work that in because I do want it to be the staple. I'm gonna kind of use the brush to carve out the lid. That's starting to look like something. For my under eyes, I'm actually gonna use a blush. I'm using the Danessa myricks blush balm under my eyes and just slowly work it in. To tie it all in, I'm going to go in with a brownish liner for my lash line. I'm going in with a baby black wing. So to finish off the eyes, I'm going in with this LA Colors gel eyeliner. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and powder my face. Dust a little bit off, just so it's just the remnants of it. And use that to kind of carve that so it's sharp. Gonna do like an exclamation on my nose. Do the perimeters of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and dust that off, and I realize I haven't put on any blush yet. I also want to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go in with the Danessa blush. Gonna go in with the Danessa blush. Taking that underneath my eyes a little bit, on my nose. Just kind of blend it in. Make it look like the I am cold challenge, I guess. I'm going to go in with my bronzer. And I kind of like to take my bronzer everywhere. Don't judge me. And it's the Fenty bronzer. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Milk Hydro Grip. And let that dry. While that dries, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. And the lip liner I currently like using is actually not a lip liner at all. It is a eyebrow pencil, but I have not found a good lip liner for me, so that's what I'm using right now. And this one is by e.l.f. It is the Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I don't know what shade. It's the brown shade, the darkest one probably. And then for lips, I'm using this Fenty Beauty HBIC Velvet Liquid Lip, but I only want to use like a very small amount. Because someone said I look like I committed a hate crime, so. I'm just gonna work that into my lips, just like this. Almost like a stain. And then I'm gonna go back into that brown. And then to top it off, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. And just to give that nice poutiness. So nice. Okay, this is probably the best red lip I have ever done in my entire existence. Alright, so this is the final look. I think it came out really good. Let me know what you think. I think the red lip really ties the look together, and I really hope my camera is catching all of this, because from where I'm looking, it does not look good. But thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I would love you to join my YouTube family, so go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. All right, bye.